Hey guys, just a real quick video. Joe and I are up Transcentral Highway. We're riding up the mountain. Basically, what the Transcentral Highway is. Hold on. Yeah, it's the highway. Basically, what the Transcentral Highway is, it's a main route from Cebu to Balamban and Toledo and the cities. So basically it's a throughway from east to west. And so yeah, really busy interstate here, really scenic route. It was right through the mountains. It takes about a little over an hour, close to an hour and a half to get from Cebu over to Balamban. But just this really epic, real hilly road, really scenic road. Parts of it are washed out. Yeah, you can see here's a lot of traffic right now. But just really kind of epic riding. Really, it's kind of a dangerous road in a lot of ways because you got cars running all over the place. But we've stopped here at this little restaurant. I've actually stopped that once before. Just beautiful views. Check this out, guys. I'll do a copy of the menu as well, but look at this view out of here. Yeah, just a really cool scene here. And yeah, check this weather out. Just gorgeous today. Really beautiful. It's a great view. Yeah, so we're gonna stop here and get some lunch. And yeah, all right, we'll be right back. And like I said, I'll insert a map of this area that I'm talking about as well as copy of the menu and what we're eating. So be right back. Hey guys, we're still waiting for our food to arrive, but man, check out this view from up here. Look at this, man. They have an upper deck up here. Just really stunning. I almost brought the drone, and I kind of wish I did. Although actually it might be a little bit too windy to fly. But yeah, just a beautiful day up here. And that's another thing too. A lot of people talk about Baguio and Valencia, and there's places right here in Cebu you can get up in elevation, and it's just gorgeous. In the sun it's a little bit warm, but in the shade there's just a great breeze. And what's the temperature? It's 84 degrees, but it's extremely comfortable. I mean, I'm not hot at all. So yeah, just a little thing about the weather and tidbit on that. But yeah, just look how beautiful. It's really stunning. So we're gonna hang out here. We haven't got our food yet, but the food should be here any moment. I'm gonna try. I've got a Filipino breakfast where I'm trying some chorizo again. I've had some chorizo just north of here on our way to Bantayan Island, and it was really different. It's a sweet type of chorizo, so not your typical chorizo. So we're just waiting on our food, but we're sitting out looking at this and had to shoot it real quick. So be right back with the food. Wow, we got some cicadas going on in the background. I don't know if you can hear that, but our food just arrived. I thought I'd do a quick video on that. And Joe, what did I order? I got some rice, I got some chorizo, and some tomatoes. What's that?
So it's itlog
Balut?
maalat. Itlog maalat, egg, salty egg.
Oh, is that a form of balut even?
No, not the balut.
Oh,
Just like
all right. Well,
regular egg.
I thought I had that kind of egg, not that kind of egg. Oh well.
Yeah, I thought so too. I thought it's the same.
Weird. What did you order? So you got rice and egg
ground
and
beef tapa.
Okay.
Tapsilog.
Well, that looks good. Really good. All right, guys, we'll be back in a little bit after we eat our brunch. Yeah, so trying out this chorizo, and it's actually really good. It's really sweet and tasty. How's your food?
Yeah,
Not me? Yeah, really digging this Filipino chorizo. It's really good. Very different than Mexican chorizo, but super yummy. Okay. Wow, guys, we are up here. We're just riding around Transcentral Highway, and we found this garden area here. Really beautiful. I think it's called Lakeview Gardens. Restaurant, all kinds of, looks like a restaurant, bar, a couple things here, maybe even a resort of some kind. But really beautiful views here too. Yeah, the gardens here are just really well done. It was 100 pesos to get in per person, so you just kind of pay that. But I mean, just a beautiful area. I mean, look at that view there of the lake. Man, This really, really beautiful scene here.
Nice.
Yeah, no, it's gorgeous. And not just the people, but yeah, man, just so beautiful. Right, Joe?
Yeah, so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the lake view. I
Yeah,
can see
the
it
lake.
now.
Yeah, so it's called Lakeview. So there it is. There's the lake straight ahead. But just gorgeous. So we're gonna wander around here for a little bit. We're just spending the day up in the mountains. Beautiful day up here. So
Sunday.
just, you know, whatever, half hour, 45 minutes outside of Cebu. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here. More to come as we come across some beautiful areas here. So we'll be right back. Yeah, guys, we found this really, really beautiful natural, or not natural, but yeah, really beautiful color landscaped here. So really, really stunning. What do you think, Joe? Kind of beautiful?
Yes, like a chorizo.
Yeah. So it looks like there's an upper viewing deck up here. Let's see what we got.
Into the jungle, into the woods,
Into the jungle.
into the woods.
Oh, this place, it just like goes on and on and on. Oh yeah, this goes up way up there. Yeah, really beautiful though. This reminds me, as kids, my folks used to take us to like arboretums and nature areas like this. So it was really kind of, I grew up with this stuff. All right, I'm coming, Joe. Go ahead. We're deep in the jungle.
Stairway to heaven.
Stay away from stairways to heaven. Yeah, it's going up, isn't it? Say what?
Are this lavender?
Lavender? Yeah, it looks like it. You can grab a hold of it and smell it.
Am I allowed to pick them?
Does it smell?
I don't smell any.
Yeah, and it does look like it, but it.
Yeah, it doesn't smell.
Wow. Yeah, really beautiful. Yeah, we're just driving around.
We're back at square one.
Yeah. Just driving around and found this this garden. It said Lakeview. Well, let's check this out. Right?
I wish you all could see the lake from here.
Yeah, the lake is really beautiful.
It's really nice.
All right, let's keep going up. Let's see what we got. How's it going, Joe? Good?
Yeah, exercise.
Yes.
To get fit.
We're gonna go running tonight though. Oh, a nice viewing deck here.
Oh, yeah.
Really beautiful.
You could have a picnic here.
Yeah, I agree. Wow. Yeah, really incredible views here.
We didn't get sunscreen for this.
We didn't bring sunscreen? Yeah.
Oh, I love the air.
Yes, it feels good.
This is what I love about the mountains.
Yeah. You love the mountains, huh? Yeah.
The view and the air.
Right. Yeah, I love
Scenery.
I love the mountains too. Really, you know, you'd love Colorado. It's gorgeous.
Ah,
Yeah.
I would love to go hiking there.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna keep wandering around, so we'll probably be right back in a minute. But yeah, just shooting some of the really cool areas here at Lakeview. So be right back. Yeah, it's a really great view. Yeah, go ahead, Joe. Let's go that way. So one of the things Joe pointed out to me just now, as we're in the mango terraces, is I had no idea what a mango tree looks like. So she pointed it out, you know, you can see the leaves here, but one of the really distinct things that I just learned is how the bark of the tree is. So yeah, there's a mango tree. I've always wondered what they look like since I've been here. And that's what they look like. So Joe was like, immediately knew. It's like, that's one. But yeah, look at this area.
Have you seen a guava tree?
Have I seen what?
Guava tree?
A guapa?
Guava.
Oh, guava, no.
This one.
That's a guava?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that's a really unique looking tree too. I do see a little bit of a fruit up there. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, there's some fruit up there.
Like guava, but it's very small.
Yeah, I see them up there. Wow, really cool area, isn't this, Joe?
Yeah.
You liking it? You want to go over that way and look at the heart pool?
Is that going? Oh, okay.
Probably that way. Looks like they do events and all kinds of things out here, huh? Is that what you're seeing, Joe?
Uh-huh.
Looks like they do events and stuff out here. Yeah, it looks like someone's at the pool out there. All right, let's go. Let's wander around this way and see what we can find. Deep in the jungle, and it seems like it just keeps going.
Oh.
Let's go over this way just for a second, because this bridge looks really amazing.
We should just go roll over. Faster.
Just roll down there.
Yeah.
Look at the little ponds and stuff down there.
Puddle.
Yeah, looks like they might be trying to do like waterfalls. Yeah. Wow. Really, really cool bridge here. A little walkway. Huh. There's a big piece of fruit on the ground there. Huh. Yeah, this place just goes on and on. That's worth 100 pesos. Oh, look at that. There's a cow. Ooh.
He's alone, that's why.
He's a scary cow?
No, he's a good cow.
Is he a religious one, do you think?
Oh my god.
No?
I don't know, you ask him.
Are you a holy cow? Oh, if it was a fish, it could be a holy mackerel.
He's eating, he's done praying.
All right. Yeah. Well, guys. I mean, I stopped this video like 5 videos ago, but this place just keeps going and going. I mean, look at that.
It's a never ending.
It's a never-ending sight of beauty, man. It's just a never-ending sight of beauty, Joe. Pick it up in a second.